Hello guys, how to use Camtasia for editing and montage YouTube videos. In this video will show you all tricks and secrets for increasing subscribers or your subscribers. Please subscribe to the channel to reach every important video upload, and please like, you don't lose anything, and share the video with others. Let's go now to show you how to do this. This video we recorded, we will select down in this track, okay, and also we are repaired these notifications which is subscribe to the channel, so you can use this in the track 3, or you can here move this one here, this one change its place to be here, okay, and this one you can decrease its time, so instead of take long time it will be decreased in just this time, because this is the time axis, okay. And you can also decrease the second one here. You can copy it, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and press here, okay, so it will appear. And let's try and see you. So here,
hello guys, how to use filtration.
when come here, the notation will appeared here. After we get here, it will disappear.
For increasing monetization.
So this is important to encourage the viewers to subscribe in your channel and press like, press notification. You can add any notification according to your video or discussion.
Doing this,
okay, this chemical, this material, a picture, you can put a picture inside this notation. You can copy this notation as you see in anywhere as we did. This is the first one. The second thing, how to split this video into 2 sections. So here's the introduction. I will in the introduction I will split this. So how to split this? I will split it from edit and then split all. So I have here 2 sections. The first section I will add some transitions and behaviors, like these behaviors, which is shifting, and I will drag it and put here. And then I have transitions, like the chessboard, this one I will drag here and I will put here, and also in the other edge here, okay. Let's show this behavior and this transition. First, this is the transition,
how to use filtration.
okay, and the behavior, as you see, is up and down small. You can change this one, here the time, we can increase the time to show you, and here this, okay, we increase the time, the scale of time, so we can decrease it, okay. Now in the other part I will put something like this cursor effect to show the viewer how I am selecting things in the learning or teaching video. So as you see here in this part, this yellow is showing the viewer how I am select things, okay.
Here all the videos, and here also.
So if you need to change the behavior, all you will do, you will press on this arrow and select the behavior, which is this one, and delete it, and then select another behavior which is more clear, jump and fail, and drag it here. Let's see or check the other behavior. the other behavior is
videos
up and down like this. Okay.
or increasing monetization.
Okay.
Subscribe
We know the annotations. If I need to put some translation or the title of the video in somewhere, so I will bring what I need to put in as a translation or as a title or as a discussion in words from the Word file like this one. Control A, Control C. I copied it, okay, and then go back in the Camtasia, and in this part, in this layer, layer track 4 or track 3 as you like, and this one I will open and I will paste this, okay, and I control its duration time from here. If I need to put another caption, you will move the time selector, this selector, where you will put the other one and add new caption, appear new box, Control V to paste your text from the Word files, okay, and then control the duration. This will be view for 7 seconds. If you need less, you control it back. After that, you can share the video. You can share the video with many options. You can share it in Web2 directly to overload or upload, to YouTube channel or to your local disk. So you can share it directly to your YouTube channel like this, or to your disk here, local file, and next and next and next, and here there's something. This all which are here, you have to put in somewhere because the watermark will appear here, so you have to change its location. Why? If you have a watermark appear here, so you have to change its location. So here the location, okay. The other one already changed it, not to change it, we change it. So you can change notification, all things you can change. Change. Okay, change it. This one. Yep. Here. Change it. If you need to change the other one, this one also need to increase here. You need to change this. You have to come here. Okay. You can control the color. The here you can put like this red color, so, or green color, depends. Okay, so it depends what you need to do. Also the other one, okay, is it change it. Thanks for watching the video. then save the video. Save. Thanks for, don't forget to subscribe your channel and share your ideas or questions, and I will reply you as soon as possible. So if you have any different symbols or strange symbols, you have to delete for saving the file.